had this for years, and honestly, I just don't really wear it. And I figured it's about time to just let somebody actually wear it and like go to a good home. So instead of selling it because it's like a really kind of high priced item, I just decided to do a raffle. I just encourage everybody, you know, if you've always wanted one, instead of spending, you know, $5 to, you know, $1,500, depending on how people value them, just maybe you get lucky for $5. Who knows?
2 hours later.
I think it went for quite under retail though, which is exciting to anybody that wins. You're gonna have to try to snag one.
Oh, I got it. It's this one.
Okay.
Ethan?
Oh, that's me.
I was gonna say, is it low-key
Wait,
him?
no, wait. Yeah, that's yours. That's me. That's my dad's phone number.
Well, he's the winner. The only guy that won to watch it live.
Let's
Just
go! How do you feel?
won.
Excited. I'm really surprised. That was my $5 right there.
You gonna keep it?
Yeah, for sure.
Congratulations, man.
Dude,
You
that's
deserve
awesome.
it.
We called it right
You
beforehand.
deserve it, man.
Well, thank him really, because he pulled your name out. So.